Hello children, welcome to today's video. Today we will learn English small alphabets. Let's like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. A for aeroplane. B for Bombay. C for cane. D for donkey. E for elephant. F for fan. G for groups. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for man. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for quilt. R for rhinoceros. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Thank you.